Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to tag people on Instagram Reels. Tagging people on Instagram Reels boosts engagement, increase visibility and helps you give credit or collaborate with others, making your content more interactive and shareable. So let's start the video. To tag someone on Instagram Reel, open Instagram app. Now tap the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Here select the reel from the content options. Now choose photo or video. Tap next. Here tap on tag people option. Now simply tap anywhere on the video and a search bar will pop up. Type in the username of the person you want to tag or tap on plus sign to tag people. Once you find them, simply select their account and they will appear tagged in the video. You can tag more people by repeating this process. Once your tags are added, proceed to the next step. Make sure everything looks good and when you are ready, tap on share button. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to tag people in your Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching.